स्प्रेड द जॅम. येस, जॅम. जॅम म्हणटकूच तकलेन येता तो टिपिकल मिक्स फ्रूट जॅम किंवा स्ट्रॉबेरी जॅम किंवा आनी कसले जॅम. बट वी हॅव अ स्वामिनी विथ अस, शिवानी शिरोडकर. हाय शिवानी. And she's not only in those typical kind of jams, but she has some unique thing for us. So yes, Shivani, just explain us what jams you offer.
We have different varieties of jam, mostly the Goan local ones. जसं आमचं pineappleचं jam. We have mango jam, which is mangad. We have raw mango jam. And the most unique jam that I have is a coconut spread. And I believe very few people in this world who know how to make a coconut spread. And it has a very nostalgic and a very Goan taste to it.
So Shivani, how you came up with this concept?
So what happened was during COVID, I started selling mango jam, raw mango jam and pineapple jam. And in a month, I got like a really great response. And after a month, when the season got over, I was like, I can't stop. I have to try something new. That's when I made coconut spread. I experimented and it was a beautiful experiment. So I started making coconut spread, and along with coconut spread, I made kiwi spread. So kiwi jam is again sweet and spicy. It's a little bit like raw mango, but then kiwi has these seeds, which makes it a little crunchier. So it has a whole different and unique flavor to it. Again, I started making black grapes, plum, and then kids came to me and they were like, why don't you make chocolate? Okay. I was like, okay, from a fruit, I will shift to chocolate now. So that's when I made chocolate spread. And I've been told it's really good, much better than Nutella, because it has like a darker side to it.
So Shivani, today I would like to request you to show one procedure of your one of the trending or fast moving spread or jam, whichever.
I think I'll show you coconut spread because it's a unique flavor.
Okay. So Shivani, yes, what all you would require for this?
For coconut spread, I need coconut milk. So स्वतः coconut grate करता आणि how त्याचे milk काढता. Coconut milk, I need jaggery. I use organic powdered jaggery. I do not use the regular market one. And I have some spices which I use for my jam. That's it.
Okay. So I think we can start with the process.
This I have reached all over India, like Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi are the three places that I sell the most.
Okay. What is your education? Means are you have you expertise in this, or means how it goes about?
No, I did my bachelor's in journalism and mass communication.
Okay.
उसके बाद I was working for an event company. And then when COVID happened, I quit. I was like, we'll take a break. And then I was home. So that's how I started this.
Okay.
But I have no education qualification in food.
Okay.
Now our coconut spread is cooled and it's ready. Let's jar it up.
Shivani, you have already jarred the coconut spread. So what is the next procedure before you deliver it?
Now once it's bottled up and sealed and packed, we have to sticker it.
Okay.
So I sticker all my jars by myself.
Okay.
I put my manufacturing date to it and I stick it by myself. So in one time in one batch I sticker almost 1 to 3 bottles.
Oh.
That's every week. Every week
done. So this is all done. So Shivani, I want to ask you one more question. Now you have gone out of the way and you have started your this business. People know you with the brand. Correct. With the taste, I would rather say it. So what is the message you want to give to the other women or other, just pass out girls who are in search of jobs or waiting for the right opportunity, you can say?
I will say do what you like to do. If it doesn't work out, do something else. But keep trying things and don't give up, because something will fall in your basket.
Okay.
And one fine day you'll fall in love with it.
Okay.
From a person who did journalism to a person who's making jam, I've changed a lot. So wait and you try different things, you'll get there.
Okay. सो आमच्या बरोबर ही स्वामिनी आशिल्ली शिवानी शिरोडकर. शी हॅज डन हर जर्नलिझम. शी वर्कड फॉर वन ऑफ द कंपनीज बट शी फायंड्स प्लेजर इन मेकिंग जॅम्स. सो साहिल मांद्रेकरा बरोबर अपर्णा बडिगर प्रुडंटा खातीर.